We are here to drive the change. Changing diabetes in children is changing our future.
Thank you very much for giving us time. How do you feel about this event?
I am very happy to be here. My name is Burac Cem. I am the Corporate Vice President working in Novo Nordisk, Middle East, Central Asia. And Pakistan is very important for us. We are here to drive the change. Changing diabetes in children is changing our future. So that's why we are here today. We sign ceremony and then we open a clinic. I believe that with that, we will change a lot of lives of the children. And I'm very proud to be a part of this program today.
What is your contribution in this clinic?
We are going to continue to open. This is the 27th of them we open, and then we will continue. We are giving free of charge insulin all around the world. This program has started 2009, and we would like to reach 100,000 children that get free of insulin. And this Novo Nordisk, we committed that none of the children should die because of they cannot find the insulin. And this is no go for us. That's why we are here. That's why we are trying to change the life of the children.
How can we reduce the diabetes in children?
We cannot reduce the diabetes in children, but we can train them. We can teach them with which kind of diet they should take it. Type 1 diabetes is autoimmune disease, so it is, genetically it comes. But for type 2, definitely we need to start from the childhood, and then starting from the active life and proper nutrition and changing the lifestyle. So it can help to prevent in the future to become a diabetes. But for type 1, as I mentioned, they need insulin, and we need to provide this insulin no matter what, because without insulin they cannot survive.
Thank you very much, sir.